Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we have a little guest with us here today that's never ever with us. Usually I have my other cat. You guys just saw her on my intro. So as you can see, my room is not like the messiest it's ever been. I've definitely vlogged and done videos like this where it has been a million times messier, but it definitely needs to be done. I'm not only going to be reorganizing and putting everything back in its place, but I'm also going to be opening up the windows, airing everything out, doing some like deep spring cleaning. So I'm not done up at all right now. I'm not in my normal setup. This is just going to be more like a chill style vlog, and you know, you can clean with me if you want. You can turn this video on for motivation if you need to get some spring cleaning done, and we can do it together. So over the last couple days, I've been cleaning my sheets, and I say last couple days because my comforter is so heavy and thick that it literally took like 2 full days to completely dry. So I'm gonna start doing my bed, getting everything off of it, including you. I'm so sorry, but you come at like the worst times. Every Saturday in the spring / summertime, I get up at 8 a.m. and I go yard selling until probably like 11, 12. So that's what my Saturday mornings and Sunday sometimes consist of. I want to do literally a quick like 30-second haul for you guys. I got some American Eagle jeans for $1. Some Abercrombie jeans for $2. I do already have like a whole drawer of jeans, but I don't have any that don't have rips in them. So I got 2 pairs with no rips. I got some school merch from my local high school that I went to when I was in school, and also this really cute like cheer shirt. I love shirts like these for my work. I feel like they're perfect, and this one is really cute. I always wanted to cheer and I never got to. This really pretty rhinestone purse for $1. Like, you can't beat it. Obviously some things at yard sales are like really iffy, and I only buy them if they look like they're super clean. Like, I won't buy anything that's stained or ripped, anything like that. But some things people just grow out of and they just want to get rid of them because it takes up space. We also got a really good brand bike rack for Darian's new car. He has an SUV, so he can haul 2 bikes now, and that's perfect because it's exactly what he was looking for. Now I'm gonna organize the rest of the bed. I bought this cable organizer at Five Below a couple days ago, so the wires under my desk are all organized, and it actually looks like a nice vanity now. So I just emptied all the trash that was over in the trash can next to my bed into here, and I'm also going to do the same with the one under my vanity. So my trash can is actually double bagged. I always keep a plastic bag in it at all times to protect the can from any spills if anything were to leak out of this bag, but it just makes it super easy this way, so I could just pick up this white bag and replace it, and yeah. My bed is now made. I also cleaned everything up off the floor over here, and I put it all up here. So I'm gonna just put everything away or throw it out wherever it goes. You guys know the usual. These are my cleaning products for my surfaces and then the glass. I think I've mentioned this before, but this plaque actually does not move, so I'm not just like cleaning around things. I took everything off, but this is like command stripped to the Alexanders, because whenever I would open this and close it, it would always fall over, and I'm really scared of it breaking. This mirror is literally filthy. I had got like some of my face mask on it when I was doing skincare in bed, so this definitely needs to be cleaned and wiped down. Okay, this mirror is all clean. I need to plug it in. It's been unplugged for a while because the cord fell down and I never got it to plug it back in. This mirror actually does plug in to light up. I actually love that. I was looking for a mirror that is powered by an outlet and not batteries because I am so bad with changing batteries. Like, I never do it. Alright, so that is the makeup portion all done and clean. Everything's wiped down. I want to take down these pictures and dust them. I literally haven't done them since I put them up. When I did my final makeup tour, I don't even think I had that eyelash one up. I think I had a different one up there, but this is what it looks like now. I know they're uneven. I need to readjust it because the nail that's in there is from the old one and it was measured to a totally different size frame, but I need to readjust it. I did already make my bed, but I still need to do some cleaning and dusting around like the tops of the bedboard and also the top of this picture, which again, have not touched since I put it up. Oh my god, I just put this up a couple months ago and it's like, my humidifier needs to be cleaned like always. Oh, I know that did not. I just spilled a full cup of venti water. Thank god it was just water, but I now have to wipe down my heater and like dry my carpet over here, so give me a second. All right, it's not completely dry, but it's probably gonna take a couple hours to fully dry, so I wiped up all the excess and we're now gonna move on to wiping down my nightstand table like I intended. I'm now gonna go downstairs and clean my humidifier. It needs to be done so bad. Okay, so this whole side of my room is now clean. I now need to move on to this side. I have accumulated all the junk over to the opposite side. So everything's cleared up of here. I'm now gonna take everything, even my like decor off, and I'm gonna wipe down this glass. I also got this new like organizer for all of my skincare, and I love it on display. It made a lot of more room in my drawers. Literally just these products were taking up 2 drawers in itself, so I freed up a lot of space. My drawers are a lot less cluttered. These wires are going to be gone soon. My dad just needs to add a outlet to this wall. I only have 2 outlets in my room right now, and there's one behind my makeup vanity and one behind my bed. So this TV is currently running on an extension cord over to my makeup vanity, and I already have so much plugged in over there, like my lights, my straightener, my mirror, like literally a bunch. Okay, so I am basically all done with my room. The last thing to clean is my carpet, and that is the most exciting part. It literally brings the whole entire room together. And I always use this Glade carpet refreshener powder on it. You literally just sprinkle it a little bit on your carpet and you vacuum it up, and it makes it smell amazing. Vacuuming is done. I actually have one more thing that I totally forgot to do, which is cleaning and like refilling her food and water bowl. Yes, my cat has a food and water bowl downstairs, but does she have another one at her access in my room? Yeah. Okay, fresh. Oh, you know what these are. Oh, she follows me every time I fill her food bowls. Like, she hears the ice cubes. I have these treats that I keep behind my closet door that are concealed at all times, so you can't really see them, but I just sprinkle some cat treats in with her food, and then I pour her some water. Okay, she has some fresh and clean food and water bowls, and I think that completes my room, you guys. So that concludes this spring clean with me video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below if I should do a like ASMR cleaning video. I feel like that would be really satisfying. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on all my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.